Cougars back to play it over the middle. Morgan Bryan's pass, one flick. Carly Lloyd looking ahead. Rodriguez is stepping behind the defender. Rodriguez with a bad West compared to the U.S. Morgan shooting right at goal. Wrong. Making her first ever World Cup start. Right sideline for Rodriguez. Lost it there. Needed pressure. They turn it over. O'Hara towards goal. The end line. Looking for options. Heath pulls it back. The cross for Lloyd. Couldn't get it. Second ball.
That led to all this. She closed the center back. Tobin Heath joined her, and China gave the ball away, and then it led to this on the flank. To all this. She closed the center back. Tobin Heath joined her, and China gave the ball away, and then it led to this on the flank, and a near miss by Kelly O'Hara.
What I love about this play is how many United States play. This is where Julie Johnston's near post run will really be effective. Tobin Heath likes to bend them more than drive them, and that could be a major advantage for Julie Johnston running onto the ball, near post.
Two in the wall for China as Heath is ready.
She's taking it left-footed, so it's going to bend in.
And whistle, Heath will strike. Set up there, headed up the middle. China looking to escape there. Shin Shin broke it up. Quickly to Krieger. One face coming out. Lost it there. Johnston threw off the line. Still a loose ball in the box. The U.S. looks for it. Rodriguez, it's deflected. Anxious moments for China defense.
So it's the one who has to let the referee know that's a card. Close.
Wang Fei worked very hard in the opening half hour or so.
With Morgan challenging like that, Wang Fei didn't get a good touch, and it's live in the penalty area.
Julie Johnston does so well at those. And even though
Tony takes was a late arriving run, but she's got to do a little bit better with this because it's a free header.
And Tobin Heath served the perfect ball for her. If she could.
And gave it away. Juan Lisa. From 25 out, now 22 out, pushing it to the right. The cross is in. One shot. Stretched but couldn't find it. Morgan's after it. Just too high.
That physically she may even be in a better place than some of her teammates because of that time off.
Sauber will play it to the left. Klingenberg. Lisa defends, trying to win the ball back to China. Heath lost there. China pushing it forward. One shot. That's blocked as well. China will recover. Oh, they give it right back. Krieger. One shot to the right. One Lisa holding, shooting. That's high.
In and pressure. No one else on the USA came out.
Klingenberg will play it short and across to Julie Johnston. Into the box. Lloyd, the hair. Lloyd scores. Short and across to Julie Johnston. Into the box. Lloyd, the hair. Lloyd scores. Yes, Lloyd.
Carly Lloyd scores goals when the United States need them the most. She was a big-time player. Excellent ball-in from Johnson, and Carly Lloyd was a hitter and plays it on the ground, which makes it difficult for Wang Fei, a taller goalkeeper, to get down there quickly and make the save.
Well, Carly Lloyd is a streak goal scorer, and she scored in the last game. It was a penalty.
Bryan on the distribution. Down that right sideline for Rodriguez. Holding. Waits for some help. Drops it back. Blocked. Intended for Bryan. China will try to break out here. The U.S. gets some numbers back in the ball. Wu Haiyan will pick it up. Juan Lisa. Crunching challenge there from Sauerbrunn. Long ball from Zheng Shin. Krieger will run it down.
Out more. You can see this was that pass from press, shot deflected wide by Rodriguez. But now that China's come out and it's about the U.S. being alert.
And Lisa drives it solo, 2 fists on it. US still in the box. Second ball brought down, Wang Shuang sends it through, but solo.